How to use Nitrosol aerosol spray. Before using the spray for the first time, Nitrosol must be sprayed 4 times into the air in vertical orientation. This is known as priming. If Nitrosol has not been used for 2 to 4 weeks, repeat the priming step with 2 sprays before using. During use, the patient should rest, ideally in the sitting position. Remove the cap. Hold the aerosol upright with forefinger on top of the white button. Open your mouth and bring as close as possible, aiming it under the tongue. Press the button firmly, directing the aerosol under the tongue. Close your mouth immediately, but do not breathe the medicine in. If necessary, repeat for a second time following the steps above after 5 minutes. If the chest pain persists after second dose, third dose can be given after 5 minutes. Do not exceed 3 doses.